What if I told you that budgeting isn't about pinching pennies, but unlocking your freedom? As an international student in Canada, I learned it the hard way that budgeting isn't smart, it's survival. Stick with me and I will show you how I save, invest, and live a life that I love without being broke. First things first, income. Whether it's a part-time gig, scholarship, freelancing, or content creation, the more streams you build, the more freedom you create. Because money moves in cycles. Sellers sell product and services to the customer. Sell a skill, create a product, or invest in assets. Flip the script so that the money can flow through you, not from you. Because either you are the spender or the one cashing in. Here's my simple budgeting trick. Every paycheck gets a mission. First, I cover my fixed expenses like rent and tuition. Second, 10% goes straight to investment. Think ETF, index funds, or even shares. Third, I set aside 10% quite intentionally for something meaningful. The rest goes to grocery, transits, and oh yes, a little bit of fun. For this, I use the 75, 10, and 15 rule, which says 75% for essentials, 10% for saving and investing, and 15% for guilt-free fun. Because it's not about obsession, it's about intention. To keep everything aligned, I used every dollar app synced with my Google spreadsheet, link in the description. Next, let's master the needs versus wants game. Rent, groceries, tuition, non-negotiables. Trendy gears are impulsive buy, those can wait. Pro tip, ditch unused subscriptions, use app like Unidays for student discount. Your student ID is a cheat code for savings. Ever feel like budgeting is holding you back? Change the game. The real hack isn't cutting costs, it's about creating wealth. Start a side hustle, learn a skill on YouTube, monetize your passion. Because when you save smart and invest, you stop stressing about coffee prices because you know you're building a life where money works for you. Budgeting isn't a cage, it's a launch pad. Don't shrink your life to fit your wallet, grow your income to chase your dreams. Drop a comment on what's your budgeting hack, hit subscribe. Let's build wealth, not stress.